Alright, so I was going to give you guys an update. Did some work on the Ram earlier this week. Replaced one of the shocks so far. I'll be doing another one, the other side, the passenger side here, probably this coming weekend. But look at this. This is how bad this was. I can compress it down with one hand, and it just stays. It doesn't even come back. I replaced it with a Gabriel Pro Guard. See if I can open this up here for you guys, or not, maybe. So we'll do a little unboxing, I guess. So, that's what we got going on so far, but yeah, crazy, right? Alright, well, hope you guys are staying safe, and have a good one. Thanks for watching.